for the unboxing of the AirPods Pro 3. I actually got this for my mom, me, and my wife. So here we go. Hang on. I got the thing. I don't need this on my hand. Be careful. Oh, here's my. Unbox the AirPods in the post. There we go. Yep, there you go. There's all three. As promised, AirPods Pro 3. That's for my mom, me, and my wife. I'm gonna have to do this very carefully. 1, 2, and 3. And I will quickly. So let's see which ones are probably my mom's and my wife's. Yeah. I mean, I guess if I have to. It doesn't say what the thing is. One thing. I can do all. I just do one. Apple made. Designed made by Apple in California. Some stickers. Thing. Wait, I guess this is the 5 little things, the little earbuds, and lastly this. So which one's this one? The 3 of those. Yeah, that's what it was. I'll fast forward this. So do you like them? I found them.
Hi YouTube, we're making cornflake cereal bars and cornflake cookies. No bake cookies.
What do you want me to review them?
Yes, can you review them for us, please?
Sure, Mom. Yeah. Oh, well, here's your 5 little things, honey. The earbud things. Those are 5 different sizes. Anyways, back to the video. So that was just a quick unboxing. I will let Mom and I unbox ours. My wife got to enjoy hers. So I will do a review in a month or 2 on them again. So peace out.